Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to all. People from Bohol. People from Bohol, good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. I'll talk to you guys at exactly 10 o'clock. Thank you. welcome everyone. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, and magandang hapon wherever you are in the world. This is Coach MirandaMiner greeting each and every one of you. A happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. God bless all of you guys. God bless America. It's actually a very, very wonderful day. I hope people from the States are actually enjoying their barbecue. You're actually enjoying your beer, and so on and so forth. I hope everyone is doing well today. How are you today? Please type number one if you're doing well. No, I hope you're doing well today. And, people from the States, wherever you are in the world, no? Happy 4th of July. May the 4th be with you, sabi ko nga. No, kahit na May 4th yun, sinasabi ko lang lagi na dapat nasa sayo ang the 4th, no? Ang ating sinasabing the 4th of July, no? And medyo may tugma ang ating topic today because we're gonna be talking about the hard fork, the Ethereum hard fork on the 4th of July, no? I hope you are actually doing well and you are curious, ano ba ang tinatawag nating Ethereum upgrade, no? This is a very, very, very important upgrade and an important fundamental knowledge na kailangan mong malaman bilang isang cryptocurrency trader. So if someone asks you, okay, ano ba yung Ethereum fork and what does that mean? Or what is that Berlin fork, 'di ba? So it's important you actually get to know this and it's going to be something that would help you further build your more foundation of knowledge. And obviously ang bullishness ng Ethereum has an impact actually an impact on the Bitcoin performance, no? The bullishness in the Ethereum has an impact to the Bitcoin performance. But obviously before that, let's quickly go on and check with our performance. So just give me a second, guys. Give me a second real quick. Okay, I just want to make sure I do have the right screen here. Actually, before we start with our show, no, before we start with our show, I just wanted to make some few announcements. Few announcements muna tayo ng mabilis na mabilis. It's gonna be, um, our announcement is actually the class for tomorrow, no? Tomorrow we will have our class starting ng batch number 5 for intermediate and batch number 7 for beginner. And I look forward meeting each and every one of you there. And I'm very, very excited to meet each and every one of you. No? So just give me a second, real quick. So I just want to make sure you guys see my screen. There you go. Okay. So after next week, meron tayong important updates, no? So by the week of July 13 to 16, ang ating beginner class is going to be starting 12 noon Manila until 2 in the afternoon because we will be joined by our batch from the Team USA. So our Team USA is going to be joining us by that time and they're going to be combined with our batch 8 regular beginners, no? So bakit po pinaaga natin ang ating class on July 13 to 16? Because ang ating oras sa United States during that time is 12 midnight uh, Eastern Standard Time or 9 p.m. Pacific for the Pacific Standard Time. So ito yung patapos na ng kanilang oras. So we kind of wanted to adjust, no? Parang yung ginawa natin for Team UAE, nagkaroon tayo ng Friday combined beginner and intermediate class. So this time we're going to give them an opportunity to be trained on the time na hindi naman talaga sila sobrang nag-a-adjust, no? And then the intermediate class will be baliktad, no? The intermediate will be starting 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. the batch number 6. After that, we will have a sem break. Yes, mayroon po tayong semestral break because si Coach Miranda Miner has been teaching. Coach Miranda Miner has been teaching since June 9. So medyo kailangan po nating magpahinga ng konti at meron po tayong travel na pupuntahan during that time. And I appreciate all of you guys for giving me your support during that time. Pero kahit na ito po ay sem break, meron po tayong gagawing weekend na klase. No, we will have a weekend class. It's going to be opened for only intermediate working class. So we actually have some working traders, mga part-time traders, and they have actually requested Coach Miranda Miner na magkaroon tayo ng intermediate class on a weekend. So, promise made, promise kept. Meron tayong 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday class. And dahil ito ay 2 weekends lamang, tulad ng ginawa natin for Team UAE, tayo po ay nag-extend, no? Extend ng oras because mahaba po yan. Mahaba po ang ating pag-uusapan, no? And then, after po niya maglalabas po tayo ng another schedule beyond July 24. Puno na po ang ating schedule for tomorrow. Punong-puno na po siya. Actually, we're just building right now the schedule for July 13 onwards. So, pasensya na po sa mga gustong humabol. Sobrang punong-punong-punong-puno na po ang ating uh, July 6 class for tomorrow, both for beginners and for intermediate. So palakpakan natin yung mga nag-enroll. I look forward seeing each and every one of you. All right. And then another announcement ni Coach. Just give me a quick second, no? Sandali lang. I really look forward meeting each and every one of you, no? Sobrang nagiging super proud ako kasi ang dami niyo nagpapatotoo in terms of you already have earned if you follow the process, no? So sobrang thank you. Pakikita ko lang sa inyo 'to, no? Ayan. Ito ang ating millionaires and the future millionaires. Yan, palakpakan natin lahat 'yan. So napakarami po nating na-train. Actually kulang pa po 'yan, hindi po kasya sa isang page. And actually kilala ko halos siguro lahat diyan, no. If you see yourself there, thank you for trusting our MirandaMiner system. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagtitiwala, and kung ikaw ay patuloy na natutulungan ng ating MirandaMiner system, feel free to send me a note about your experience, at I'm just really really proud of you, no. Nakaka-proud kayo lahat, and I'm just really proud, no? Proud of all of you. So congratulations, and I look forward seeing more. And by the way, all of you, lahat na nakikita ko dito and ating mga estudyante bukas, I will actually see you on our by invitation only, by invitation. We will have our by invitation only coffee talk, or kapihan, no? Kapihan with Coach Miranda Miner. It's actually a very, very good talk. Pinaghahandaan po natin yan. Only for a very quick 1 hour. Meron din tayong raffle. Wala tong bayad, no? If you are an alumni, you're obviously invited. And please check your email. You should have actually received an email already from Coach Miranda Miner. At dapat nakita mo na ang ating invite. And please also register, because yung mga nag-RSVP lang ang aking sasama sa raffle. No? You need to put your name as an RSVP. Dun sa email may pinadala akong link for you to register. So congratulations in advance, and I look forward seeing each and every one of you sa ating future events, no? All right. Okay, nakita ko yung email ni Hardy. Sige, I will look at that later on, Hardy, no? So thank you for reminding me. All right. Okay, so after this, I just wanted to go now with our headline, no? Our news for today is about Ethereum hard fork. What is it about? Is this something that you need to know? And obviously, this is something na kailangan mong malaman bilang isang trader. So kung ikaw ay, sino po sa inyo dito ang merong position sa Ethereum? No, sino po dito ang may position sa Ethereum? Can you guys comment number 1 if you have an Ethereum position in spot or in futures? I would like to know. Okay, please let me know if you're actually a hodler of Ethereum, para marami makaka-relate sa inyo. Please type number 1 if you're actually a hodler of Ethereum, or meron kang kahit posisyon, no? Meron kang position sa Ethereum. While I'm waiting for your comments, let me just quickly do a quick review, no? Ang quick review ng ating performance. Obviously, cryptocurrency Bitcoin is actually down, no, for the past 7 days. Pero kung titingnan mo, ang ating Ethereum is actually up 10% no? It's actually up 10% for the past 7 days. Although kahit na naapektuhan yan ng dominance ng Bitcoin for the past 24 hours, still the altcoins are actually dominant at this point, no? Even XRP is actually up. Well, obviously Dogecoin is actually down, but the XRPs of the world, Polkadots of the world, Uniswaps of the world, yan mga yan, so matataas sila, no? Um, Obviously, Tether is still on a $62 billion cap. USDC is still 25 billion. So, ang ating pinaka-topic for today is about, hard fork. At ano ba ito? Ano ang epekto nito sa iyong pagtitrade? At kung ikaw ay Ethereum holder, I want you guys to get to know what is this about. So, Coach Miranda Miner will use Tagalog. Okay, if you're actually in English, I apologize. Majority of our audience are actually in Tagalog, but I'll try to speak on Taglish. No, if you have actually any questions, I will try to speak on Taglish. All right, so let's move on. No, obviously, what is a hard fork? No, hard fork actually by cryptocurrency definition, ito ay isang napaka-radical na pagbabago sa protocol ng isang blockchain that could result into a branch out. No, hindi ibig sabihin na sila ay magbabago ng buong blockchain, but meron silang gagawing radical change. Hindi siya soft fork. Soft fork kasi is a minor change. No, kapag radical change, it's actually a hard fork that allows the previous protocol and one that follows the new version. No? So parang ito yung visual, representation niya from a conceptual framework. No? So if you look at this, the first protocol is, for example, yung unang-unang block na ito, ang sabi niya rito, okay, follow the old rules, follow the old rules, follow the old rules, follow the old rules. Isa sa mga chain ay idudugtong sa isang upgraded na node, no? Merong isang chain na idudugtong sa isang old chain, kumbaga magba-branch out siya. At ito ay magfa-follow ng isang bagong patakaran o rule, no? Ito ay mag-uugnay ng sa mga sumusunod pang mga chains, no? So ito hindi ibig sabihin na yung old chain will be destroyed, like for example what happened with ETC to ETH. Pero ang ginagawa ng isang hard fork definition, ito ay gumagawa ng panibagong chain na nanggagaling or nagba-branch out lamang doon sa isang o naunang version, no? Okay, so in the hard fork, holders of tokens in the original blockchain will be granted tokens in the new fork, no? They will be granted a new token, but miners, tandaan niyo miners must choose which blockchain to continue verifying. Okay, we're not yet on the Ethereum hard fork. We're just actually defining ano ba ang hard fork, because tatandaan ninyo ang hard fork ay maaaring maging available sa other blockchains, no? Okay, so sabi nga dito, a hard fork can occur in any blockchain and not only Bitcoin, where hard forks have created Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV among others, for example. No? Ano ba ang etymology? Ano ba ang pinagsimulan ng hard fork? Ito ba isang tinidor? No? Ito ba isang tinidor? Pwedeng tinidor yan, no? Kasi kaya nga hard fork. Pero in the software engineering, kung ikaw ay ng isang o may kilala kang isang software engineer, no? Ang hard fork is actually, or a fork is actually a term na ginagamit kung saan kung ang isang developer ay kumukuha ng kopya ng isang source code from isang software to another and start independently developing it, creating a distinct and separate piece of software, that is what you call a fork. Okay? Tatandaan yan, ha? A fork is actually a software engineering terminology wherein the developer actually is taking a copy of the source code from one software package and starts to independently develop from it, no? Obviously, hard fork in cryptocurrency is not basically independently developing another blockchain separate from each other, but again, a hard fork definition sa isang cryptocurrency blockchain is you're actually trying to branch out, or you're actually trying to branch out the particular uh, node, no, to another node. All right, let's move on. Okay, ano ba ang Ethereum Berlin hard fork? Bakit siya tinawag na Berlin? Kasi nung last year, napagkasunduan na usog lang yan, no? Merong Berlin Convention kung saan ginanap ito sa Germany, sa Berlin mismo, wherein they're actually all planning and they've all agreed na magkaroon ng mga hard fork upgrades, no? At nung Thursday, nag-live na tayo ng almost 12,244,000, no? Ethereum na yung block na nag-live, no? So, itong nag-live na 'to, okay, I will discuss this in two types of scenarios, bilang isang minero at isang trader, okay? So, from a perspective of the trader, okay, makakakita ka diyan ng mamaya I'll discuss with you bakit sumabog 'yan, tumaas bigla, almost 2,300 yung nilipad niya, no, from an average of 18K. Sorry, 1,800, no? So, the upgrade, itong Berlin upgrade na 'to is actually a stepping stone lang ng isang mas malaki pang London hard fork which will activate the EIP 1559, no? Itong 1559 is actually the proof of staking, no? So, proof of staking from a proof of work concept, no? Obviously, pinaghahandaan 'yan. Nasa phase 1.5 tayo at ang pinakahuling EIP is gonna be on phase 2 by 2022, no, so next year, no. So we're currently on phase number 1.5, no. Ano ba yung mga sinasabi nating EIP, no? Merong apat na mahahalagang EIP itong Berlin hard fork na ito. Number one, the EIP-2565, which reduces the gas cost for a specific transaction type that uses modular exponentiation. The same drill for EIP-2718, no? And the same drill for EIP-2930. Lahat ng kanilang characteristic is actually more of reducing gas cost, no? For example, the EIP 2930, the new transaction type made possible by EIP 2718, which is the second EIP, which allows its users to create templates for the future complex transactions in bid of a lower gas cost. Okay. Bakit ko hinuhuli tong EIP 2929? No? Bakit ko hinuhuli to? Because this is the most special EIP sa upgrade ng Berlin hard fork. This is the special one. What do I mean by that? No? EIP 2920, you guys, I will try to make it very, very simple para sa'yo, ha? Okay, para hindi ka na medyo ma-nosebleed, di ba? Okay. EIP 2929, ito ay isang kabaligtaran ng lahat ng tatlong EIP na sinabi ko. Bakit? Ang trabaho ni EIP 2929 is itataas niya yung gas cost, no? Para sa transactions 'yan. Itataas niya ang isang gas cost kung tatandaan niyo, itataas niya ang gas cost kung ang iyong transaction ay unang-una pa lamang na gagawin on that particular account. Okay? Kung ito ay unang-una mo pa lamang gagawin, ito ay magiging napakalaking gas. Bakit? Bakit, no? Because yung storage slot, no, where the address is actually built, no, or the case where it's actually built for the first time, normally, pag unang-unang transaction at ikaw ay gumawa ng transaction, for example, no, and it's actually the first time may inaccess mo yung storage file na yon, ito ay maaaring makasira ng tinatawag nating storage. Ano ba yung tinatawag nating storage slot? No? Ano ba yung mga yan? Tatandaan ninyo kasi, ginawa si Ethereum on the Solidity programming. Sa kanyang pagdi-develop, meron pa yung mga DOS prompt. Okay? Sino sa inyo dito ang inabot pa yung DOS prompt nung early 90s? Sige nga, comment nga kayo kung nakakilala ng DOS prompt dyan. Sino sa inyo mga nakakaalam ng DOS prompt? Siguro pag millennial ka, hindi mo na alam yung mga DOS prompt na yan. No? So, sino kaya sa inyo, no? So, ginagamit itong EIP 2929. This is actually a very important hard fork update because kailangan nilang maprotektahan yung mga DOS-based vulnerability, no? May mga smart contracts or may mga programming kasi na nakalagay pa din sa DOS prompt storage area. So, ang gusto nilang mangyari, itataas nila ang presyo ng gas cost, for example, from 800 to 2100 GWei, no? For example lang 'yon. From 700 to 2600 GWei, for example, no? kung ito ay actually gumagamit ng DOS prompt protocol, sorry, ng DOS vulnerability in the Ethereum protocol for the first time, no? Um, Sabi ng mga developers, kailangan nilang gawin tong fix na ito because yung requirement on the disk access, yung ma-access ng DOS operating system, dapat taasan nila yung gas because ang DOS issue is a very high risk issue within the Ethereum network, no? Sinasabi nila kapag sila ay magtataas ng mga opcode transactions, no? Opcode transactions, kumbaga ito ay isang code na sinasabi na tumutugma sa mga transactions within the DOS prompt transaction, itataas nila yan para konti lang yung gagamit. Konti lang yung gagamit. So another second long-term benefit of this repricing, no? Repricing is yung sinasabi nilang verification risk, no? Marireduce daw yan sa negative sa less than 3x, no? Because yung repricing for that particular reading code, something like 500 gas for a very small chunk of the code na naa-access, pag tinaas nila yan, mag-iisip na yung ibang mga nag-access ng opcode transaction na iba na lang, iba na lang ang kanilang kukunin. For me, to be honest, this can also be a gateway for what you call the Ethereum killers, di ba? Solana, no? Mga Ethereum killers yan sinasabi because they're promising faster transactions within the side chains of Ethereum, no? Pero at the end of the day, I think that this EIP is going to be very, 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 very important kasi I think it's about time that the queen of all coins, which is Ethereum this time, needs to improve itself. No, I think it needs to improve itself. No, so yun, ayun ang apat na major EIP changes. No, EIP changes. So yung important EIP changes na yan will spell the the future of Ethereum. Natatandaan ninyo si Berlin hard fork is just a prelude sa London hard fork. Dagdag ko na din, ano ba ibig sabihin ng EIP? EIP actually is a very common term sa programming. Ito ay tinatawag na Enterprise Integration Patterns. No? So ito ay patterns, no? Na, na nakikita mo sa isang developing systems, no? That's needed to integrate, a new or existing software in a current environment. No? So yan. So apat yan. I think it's gonna be attracting more investors kasi for the most part, it will actually reduce the gas cost, no, or the gas fees. Kasi medyo mataas pa din ang gas fees. No? And then, bilang minero naman, you're actually given two choices. No? You're gonna be given a choice. Um, Either you actually do the proof of yung magstay ka lang diyan pero I gotta tell you guys, marami sa circle ni Coach, although sabi ko nga nag-post ako sa inyo, I'm actually not mining at this point now. I'm actually waiting to build my solar farm in Cavite. So pero at this point, I'm still part of a large circle of miners. So marami sa amin or marami sa kanila ang nag-change na no, nagmamine na ng Ravencoin, nagmamine na ng kung ano-ano as an alternative. As an alternative, no. So it doesn't harm, no. It doesn't harm, just program your OS, no, to be able to mine your particular coin and you get paid Bitcoin. No? All right. So yon. So let's move on, no. Because of this particular upgrade, napakalaking upgrade nito, nagkaroon ng napakaraming news, no. One of that actually is what you call the this particular uh, upgrade, no. So ipalakihin ko lang itong part na to. Okay. Ito actually yung sentiment screenshot kung saan for the very 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 first time sa history ng Ethereum versus Bitcoin, tinaasan ng active addresses ng Ethereum si Bitcoin, no? For the very first time, no? First time 'yan. But of course, lumaban pa din si paring Bitcoin, siya pa din yung after 24 hours naging king, no? Naging dominant active address. Pero what I'm just trying to say is sobrang lumaki, no? Active addresses. And let me actually tell you, of course, aside from this, bukod sa active addresses na to, which actually determines na marami ang nagiging kumbaga hype, no? In a good hype, no? For the particular queen of the coins, no? Nung merong actually isang napakalaking whale, no? May isang napakalaking whale na pumasok at nagdeposito lang naman ng none other than half a billion of amount for Ethereum, no? Half a billion of Ethereum worth of Ethereum. And itong article na 'to, binasa ko siya for the most part. It's actually uh, uh, it's actually giving a conclusion na ito ay really isang whale ito, no? Because napakakonti lang ng wallets na pinasukan, no? From a major wallet, if I remember correctly, pumunta lang ito sa 8 wallet, no? So, of course, sino bang may hawak ng ganitong kalaki? Puwedeng si Vitalik, puwedeng isang malaking-malaking whale talaga, no? And actually this particular 500 million bet on the Ethereum 2.0 is actually a good testimony, isang konkretong testimonya na ang Ethereum 2.0 EIP upgrade could be something na puwedeng maging positive development on the queen of the coins, 'no? Puwede siya, eh. Kasi merong gumamit ng almost half a billion, no? Half a billion na pinasok, no? And definitely what happened to the price significantly kicked to almost 10%, no? Actually siya yung medyo may pinakamataas na bukod sa Uniswap, siya yung nasa top 10 na pinakamataas na increase for the past 7 days, no? So because of that, maraming mga kliyente ng Ethereum today are actually from an investor perspective, low gas fees, higher gas fees on high risk storage platforms like DOS Prompt. This is going to be really really good. No, this is going to be really really good from a developer lens, no, from the lens of a developer, and from a miner perspective, medyo nakakalungkot because syempre masarap magmina, no, magmina ng Ethereum, especially may gas fees. However, of course, um, ganun talaga, no? This is actually something, actually, to be honest with you guys, 2017 pa tong issue na to. Itong EIP na to, this is actually 2017 pa. Nausog na nausog na nausog na nausog lang yan. I think it's really high time, no? High time that they do this, from my perspective. Kasi marami na ring dapat na development gawin ang isang blockchain tulad ng Ethereum, tulad ng Taproot na ginawa ni Bitcoin, no? Tulad ng Taproot na ginawa ni Bitcoin. Okay. So, obviously, sabi ko nga meron tayong tinatawag na London fork. Ano ba yung London fork na yan? No? So, yung London fork, obviously, there's an agreement way back in London that they need to execute this particular fork. No? Sabi dito, they're actually expected to incorporate already the famous EIP-1559, which will reduce the supply of Ether. Bakit? Bakit magre-reduce the supply ng Ether? Instead of a user sending a gas fee to a miner for a transaction to be added in the blockchain, the network now would set the fee itself and then burn it. No? There are concerns that this will actually diminish the miner's profit. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina, no? The miners are already going to a different type of platform or different types of coins to mine, but does have, the potential to make Ether more valuable due to limiting supply. Parang yung maximum supply concept ni Bitcoin, no, 21 million. That is what they would want to do from a London fork perspective, no. So obviously, because of all of this, the second largest cryptocurrency hit a new all-time high noong past couple of days. Umabot siya ng 2488.07 as of the writing of this news, and actually part of the ongoing rally that's actually also been attributed to the Coinbase's anticipated public listing on Nasdaq. Pantayin nyo yun, guys, ha. Tandaan ninyo, hindi lahat ng coin nasa Coinbase, no? Si Shiba nandiyan dyan, no? Hindi lahat ng coin nasa Coinbase, tandaan nyo yan, no? So if they go on Nasdaq, it looks like a wider type of market can now trade, cryptocurrency because they're gonna be listed on Nasdaq. Obviously, this will give a lot of market capitalization for Coinbase for any of their future expansions. No? Tandaan natin yan. Okay, kung medyo na ano ka na nawala ka sa sobrang technical na diniscuss ni coach, I have a TLDR, no. Too long did not read, no. So kumbaga in Tagalog, in very very simplest terms, makakatulong din sa ito, no. May mga bagay na ah, medyo magiging expensive, no. In terms of gas cost, no. Pero tatandaan mo ito ay ginagawa dahil sa security, no? On the other hand, may mga bagay na dapat naging mas mura na all along, storing them and then loading them on the same slot will be cheaper na. Kasi ang isa pang before ko makalimutan, no, isa pa sa mga trabaho ng EIP is mamahalan nila ng sobrang mahal yung unang-unang pagkaskas ng transaction doon sa storage slot na yon. Pero yung mga sumusunod ng transaction will already be cheaper. Eh, na maganda naman sa kanya, no? So, lastly, another important benefit is that moderately increasing the gas limit becomes safer. No? The main remaining impediment to a large gas limit increases will likely be the state size issues. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung state storage, no? Depende yan. Mas malaki yung gagawin mong, kung gusto mo mas mabilis sa transaction, mas malaki yung gas fee. Kung gusto mo mas mabagal, standard lang, maliit yung gas fee. Kung gusto mong malaking transaction agad, mas malaki yung gas fee kasi malaki siya. Gusto mong part na maliit lang, mga if and when transactions lang, so yung mga if and when, sorry, ang 'di ba ang sabi ko sa inyo nung week number 1 natin sa Cryptocurrency 101, ano bang ginagawa ng Solidity? Ito ay gumagawa ng two types of ito ay gumagawa ng isang transaction lamang, no? So, ito ay merong mag-uutos, command, and only one result, no? It will command to execute something and only one result is expected. And this transaction is immutable. No, immutable 'yan, hindi na mababago 'yan, 'no? Kasi naka-ano na 'yan, naka it's actually a smart contract, no? Even ang sabi ng mga developers, even the developer itself cannot change, no, whatever has been contracted, no? So 'yan, so 'pag malaking-malaki yung transaction, it can potentially be really a large gas fee, which is actually one of the impediment na puwede pa ring mag-drive ng gas fee despite the EIP improvements. Okay? So, I hope that you actually learned. Medyo very, very technical pero ginawa ko na lang very simple. This is a very, very simple discussion and, very, very quick discussion of Ethereum. Tomorrow, or the next couple of days, we're going to discuss the issue of Binance. No, I'm going to discuss the issue of Binance, and I'm going to discuss is it risky to leave your money in Binance because of the so many issues. Is it safe to leave your money in Binance? Meron bang potential issues yan, etc., etc., etc. I'm going to create either a video or I'm probably going to discuss that sa ating live. No? Pero I hope that, by the way, meron ba kayo natutunan today? Please type number 1 nga. May natutunan ba kayo today? I hope you learned something today. Okay? If you learned something today, did you learn something today, guys? Type number 1, ano ba ang hard fork? No, ano ba ang hard fork na sinasabi natin? Ano ang Berlin hard fork? At ano ang epekto nito sa isang trader o isang minero as well? Okay? All right. So with that said, let me move on to my next topic. Sorry. Let me move on to my next topic. Let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. Okay. Ako ay actually I've shared this already, no, itong aking nasa screen ngayon. I've already shared this to all of you, almost all of you. We're in I cannot discuss the entire details because this is actually part of my intermediate class, no. Pero I gotta tell you, this is a very, 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 very profitable play, no. In fact, kung makikita mo tong format na ito, ire-refresh ko lang. Makikita mo yung format na ito, itong current price natin ngayon is actually playing within the Fibonacci 0.382. No? Sa mga nakakaalam ng formation na to, I'm sure nakikita mo na yung nakikita ni coach, no? It's actually consolidating and it's actually trying to do support, support identification. And it's currently right now looking for that consolidation and potentially will go up or go down again, no? So napaka profitable na play, inabot tayo ng 5 trades. In fact, we have one more trade that's open right now. We're currently, I think, $20 there right now, no? So medyo malaki na yung profit natin doon sa ating inopen because nakuha natin tong ilalim na to, no? Magnify ko lang, nakuha natin tong ilalim na to. Diyan tayo nakapasok and we're able to get that particular entry, no? And then now we're actually going to take profit on that later, and that's actually the play number 6, no? We actually already have a play number 6. I will discuss this tomorrow, around 20 USDT. Tomorrow di-discuss natin 'yan, and I'm hoping that sorry, yeah, sa mga estudyante ko, I'm hoping that you guys actually learn at maging really really profitable. Napaka-profitable na play. Naku, to the point na niisip ko na nape-predict na natin yung potential formation because of the identification of the feast, breakout model, no? So trend breakout, consolidation, fib breakout where the magic happens, power, pullback, support identification, consolidation, na uulit-ulit-ulit-ulit lang 'yan. Umuulit-ulit lang siya. Umuulit lang 'yan. So matutuwa ka 'pag nakita mo 'yan sa class natin tomorrow, and I hope you learn something on this tomorrow as well. Okay? Looking forward to teach you, and then ano pa ba? So let me just make sure I check. Yan, actually pati si Ada may formation din na ganyan, eh. Yan, no? Pati si Ada may formation na ganyan. No? So kaya mo na talaga siyang i-predict based on this formation, no? Uh, and of course, you also do your fibs, no? You also do your Fibonacci's, which is the heart of this breakout. So, yan, antayin mo yan tomorrow. I'll discuss that with you. Actually, it's gonna be on our second or third day sa intermediate class. Pag beginner, tuturo ko din sa iyo yung mga basics muna, no? Basics muna tayo para makuha mo yung mga ganyang klase ng play. And then, yon. So, what else should I discuss with you guys? Ethereum, we have our anatomy of MirandaMiner play. Let me just check if there's any other questions. Okay, greetings kay Jim Rich from Jensen daw. Parang matagal na yun si Jim, ah. Thank you nga pala sa mga umu-order ng ating t-shirts, no? Meron po tayong delivery ng t-shirts tsaka ng mugs. Alam nyo po ba guys, meron pong umorder ng ating Miranda Miner mug, yung ating cup, no, yung Just Hodl. Alam nyo po, in-order po nila parang 20 yata or 10. Tinanong po namin yung bumili, para saan nyo po bibilin? Bakit 10 po ba kayong trader sa pamilya? Alam niyo kung anong sabi sa amin, guys? Alam niyo po, nalaman po, and I'm very, very thankful of this, no? Nalaman ko po na ito po pala ipapadala sa US. So thank you po. Thank you sa inyong sa support. Thank you po sa pagmamahal at sa tiwala, no? Sa tiwala na binibigay niyo sa atin, at looking forward, no? Looking forward for more support from all of you guys. And again, na-excite ako kasi napakagagaling ng mga moderators natin, guys. Napakagagaling. Kahapon nag-usap-usap kami niyan. Ang dami na lang binigay sa aking updates, guys. And of course, malapit na nating ilabas ang ating AXI scholarship. No? We're actually I think we're on step 2 already. We're able to discuss the step 1 nung hapon. But of course, I'm just trying to test the waters, no? Kumbaga, kasi maglalabas tayo ng capital, and of course yung mga lumapit po sa aking investors, I'd like to make sure na alam po nila, malinaw na malinaw ang kanilang investment strategy, no? Marami po yan. Meron pong nag-express po ng intention, meron pong taga Cyprus, alam mo na kung sino ka. Meron ding taga New Zealand, alam mo na rin kung sino ka. Meron pong taga US, at of course si Coach Miranda Miner magi-invest din, no? So malapit na po yan. Ako po, nakita ko na po ang ating system. at ang mga napakagaling po guys, palakpakan naman natin ang mga moderators natin, guys. Palakpakan naman natin. Palakpakan natin, guys. They're all really doing well. Kaya nga sabi ko napakaswerte ko because I'm surrounded by people who are smart, their hearts are in the right place, talagang magagaling, no? I'm really, really proud of everyone. So, yon. So, thank you again, no, sa mga moderators na I cannot name all of you, 21 plus na tayo, no? So, yon. Thank you again sa mga moderators at sa mga committee heads natin. Maraming maraming salamat and looking forward for your help and support. Yan. Okay. So sabi ko nga kanina, speaking of our trades, no? So sabi ko nga pang ilang trades na natin, tayo ay asan na ba yung trade natin? Ito, pang-anim na trade na. Ito yung latest trade natin. No? We actually have an open order right now. This is our latest trade for today. And pag ito nag-take profit tayo, because of this enter, no? Because of this enter, tayo ay actually magpo-profit na naman, no? Magpo-profit na naman tayo ng profit number 6. Update na lang natin 'to ngayon. Profit 6 around 13 USD. Save na lang natin. Yan, so I'll discuss that to all of you tomorrow. Pag beginner, hindi muna ito di-discuss ni coach, no, kasi kailangan ko munang himayin kung ano ba yung mga bounce play kasi yung mga nilaro ko dito bounce, for example, ito bounce play ito, no. This is a bounce play. Nag-bounce play tayo dito. This is actually a $45 tether, no. This one actually is a breakdown play, no. Breakdown play nakuha natin 'to. Tuturo ko yung breakdown play tsaka yung bounce play, pero yung pinakabuong concept is not for beginners. It's actually for intermediate. So, kung ikaw ay interesado, please enroll to our course. Tanong mo lang ang mga moderators natin. They'll be very glad to assist all of you. And I'll be very glad to also see you in my class. No? Marami na po tayong improvement sa ating mga klase. We actually have created several improvements. For example, may remedial course na tayo. Andyan si Mentor Rad, no? Andyan siya, nagtuturo siya dyan. At ito ay para sa mga beginners, para doon sa mga talagang kailangan ng tulong on even how to buy or sell. No? So yan, so meron tayong mga mentoring group already na binubuo. And I'm very, 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 very proud of that team. No? Nakakataba ng puso na may mga moderators tayo na talagang handang tumulong sa atin sa lahat at mag-follow ng ating culture of malasakit, hashtag culture of malasakit. Okay? Tapos wag niyong kakalimutan guys naglabas din tayo ng videos for the past 3 days, yung beginner revalida. Ito ay isang revalida ng isang beginner student. Panoorin niyo 'to, no? Magaling si Jess dito, na-explain talaga niya. Meron siyang journal, ang ganda ng journal niya. Na-explain niya yung kanyang trades and I'm very, very proud kasi pag nakakita ako ng ganyang klaseng estudyante na nagbabago yung mindset sa trading tapos nakakapag-trade na, magaling. Magaling, nakaka-believe and congratulations on. And thank you for allowing me to share that story, no. Thank you. And then of course, diniscuss natin kahapon is US dollar tether really stable. And then of course, nag-release na rin si coach, no. Bilang isang crypto trader, kailangan mo kasing malaman din kung ano ang stock market kasi ginawa ni coach itong stock market na 'to because I think it's important, especially meron ng headline about our Philippines Stocks Exchange. May headline na that they would want to entertain cryptocurrency trading, so at least at some point alam mo din bilang crypto trader kung ano ba ang stock market. At actually ang pinaka-topic ko dito is mas okay pa din ang cryptocurrency kaysa sa stock market sa tatlong major na dahilan. Panoorin mo na lang yung video ko, diniscuss ko yan, tapos dinescribe ko din bakit ba, ano ba yung tinatawag nating 7,000 points? Ano ba yung mga ganong numbers? Ano ba yung mga numbers? For example, sinasabi ng mga analyst, ano ba yung 6,900 points ang PSEI? Down, bullish, bearish, they're actually down 5 percentage points. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Makikita mo yun sa video na to. Diniscuss ko yan. There's a reason ba't nagkakaroon ng index score. Parang si Bitcoin, meron siyang dominant score, di ba? Meron din ganyan si stock market. Meron siyang index na binubuo ng 30 malalaking kumpanya, no? At ay ang mga kumpanyang yan, ayan ay dinidecide ng ng different types of institutions tulad ng MSCI, no? MSCI is actually a very, very important metric na sinusunod ng mga hedge fund managers sa local market because kapag ang isang kumpanya ay naisama sa MSCI Small Cap, nilalabas yan every quarter, kakalabas lang ng June, ah, nag, minsan bumubulusok pataas yung stock, no? Another good news, for example, same time last year na add si DMCI sa MSCI Small Cap, no? So naging index siya coming from a penny stock, no? So panoorin mo yan for you to have another lens. Ano ba yung tinatawag nating stock market? And of course, gagawa pa ako ng maraming video. Ano ba ang forex? Ano ba ang options? Kailangan mo ring malaman yan. No? Ano ba yung mga ganyan types of speculative trades market at kung ano-ano pa. I'm telling you, kung ikaw ay sanay sa cryptocurrency trading, mamaniin mo na lang ang stock market. No? Pero to be honest, mas mahirap ang stock market. Pag galing ka sa stock market, mamaniin mo din ang cryptocurrency kasi mag-enjoy ka, no? Kung ikaw ay gusto mo ng volume, gusto mo ng action, marami dito 'yan, marami sa cryptocurrency 'yan. Pag gusto mo nung medyo dry, gusto mo yung trading lang alas 9, 9:30 ng umaga hanggang 1:00 ng hapon, diyan ka sa crypto, diyan ka sa stock market, no? So 'yan, so panoorin mo 'yan, no? And I hope you actually learn, no? Learn ka sa ating mga videos na ginagawa natin for all of you, no? We're only down 200 more subscribers before we hit 19,000, and I really hope na when you're actually moving our when you're actually watching our video, paki-like naman, paki-share na rin sa ating mga kaibigan para tayo ay mas lalo pang maka-reach out ng maraming maraming audience. Okay? All right, so let me just read some comments sa atin before tayo magpaalam on a Monday night, no? Teka lang. Tentacle Sex, maraming salamat. Oy, thank you din. Ano po bang pros and cons ng pagiging involved ng PSE saka sa crypto? Pwedeng mangyari na magkaroon na ng taxation ng crypto, no? Because every time a government meddles, ang tatandaan ninyo, sa Pilipinas hindi pa tinatax ang cryptocurrency, no? May nag-comment kanina, sabi niya, "Coach, ano ba 'yan, mati-trace na ba tayo diyan?" You know, guys, you need to remember, ang Binance may KYC din 'yan, no? May KYC may KYC si ano, may KYC ang Binance. So, when you talk about tracking, tina-track ka na rin naman at this point, eh, 'di ba? Kasi you're sending your ID, you need to be verified, no? The same thing for local stock market. In fact, sa ibang stock market na sinasabi ko, ay diniscuss ko 'to dun sa ating video, panoorin niyo na lang yung video na 'yan, no? Meron silang KYC din. They will interview you online. And I think it's the same thing. Kailangan mo lang talagang, I don't know, I mean, if the government decides to tax, and it is what it is, right? And I think the states sa US ginagawa naman yan at this point, no? Okay. Thank you, Jim Rich from Gensan. Magde-delist daw ng company sa, I think they need to clean, no? Or otherwise, baka gamitan lang yung mga penny, yung mga third liners na tinatawag, yung mga third liner companies, gamiting backdoor, no? Ng mga malalaking companies. Kenta Kelhex, thank you. Ano pa ba? Musician. Oy, kamusta na, Sean? Kamusta na? Kamusta na trades mo? Balitaan mo nga ako. Jessica, Jessica, thank you ha. Thanks for all of your support. Musician, miss ka na daw ng Discord. Bakit wala na ba sa Discord yan si Musician, guys? Nami-miss niyo na ba siya? Ay, mag-e-enroll daw ulit. Alam mo, Sean, gusto mo lang ako makita, eh, no? Gusto mo lang makita si coach. Gusto mo makita. Sana next weekend schedule makasali na. Sali ka na, Mark, para makita rin kita, no? Alright, please like and share our live. Well, thanks, Aaron. Goma, thank you ha. Thank you for your for that super chat. Si Aaron ba? Ito ba si moderator Aaron? Ikaw ba yan? Can you siya nga to, no? Teka lang. Let me just do something here. Let me add you as a moderator. Okay, good. Alright. Clarice, thank you. Asher, thank you. Asher, ready ka na? Sige. Ano pa ba? Junkiel Vlogs, mag-share po tayo ng vlogs nyo ang pagko-coach. Ano? Mag-share lang po ng mga vlogs nyo ang pagko-coach. Salamat. Thank you naman. Malaking tulong yan, no? Malaking tulong yan. Alright. Jim Rich, thank you. Congrats sa mga sana coach mobile Android din. Hehe, mobile Android user. Nag-PM na rin ako sa iyo, coach. Sabi ni Jim Rich. Stickers. Sige, gawa natin yung sticker si Raccoon. Sticker yan. Tama yung mga car stickers. Option din natin yan. Tingnan natin, guys, no? Gusto ko yung may Bitcoin na sticker, eh, nagawa tayo medyo inspired ng MirandaMiner. Siguro maganda yung gano'n. Pag-isipan natin 'yan. Excited daw tomorrow. Yeah, mga moderators, see you tomorrow, 'no? Jolo, nami-miss mo na yung class? Na-miss mo na yung pagiging stricto ni coach, ha? Alam ng mga estudyante ko medyo stricto si coach sa loob ng klase. Type number one kung tingin mo stricto si coach sa classroom. Naku, ang daming number one diyan. Ako po ay talagang stricto. Gusto ko po nakikinig ang mga estudyante. Oy, "Tu Professor, kamusta ka na? Long time no hear. Chat mo nga ako. Balitaan mo ako na nangyayari diyan, ha, Tu Professor." Ano pa ba? Christopher Merelos, hello. Patrick Osena, hello. Sydney Channel, hello. Dennis Catalan, Herbert De Leon, Mike Suarez, Jessica Villanueva, Seth Miguel, Whale Boat, hello, hello. Hardy, hello. Abigail, ano pa ba? Ronald, oy Ronald, see you in the class, ah. Damon Frost, Rowan. Hey Luke, kamusta, kamusta? Ah, ano pa ba? Let's try to read mga comments. Ayan, mga nagna-number mga moderators ko nag-una mag-number 1, 'no, siyempre mahigpit talaga si coach sa estudyante niya. Thank you, Milka, for the reminders. May weekend schedule ka ba, coach, for newbie? Meron po ako for intermediate. Pag-isipan ko po yung newbies, no? Coach, ako po 'pag walang jowa makakapag-focus sa paglalaro ng Axie. Sana makasali sa scholarship soon. Abangan mo 'yan, Damon Frost, Okay. Excited na po ako, beginner class. Okay, see you, Nell, tomorrow, okay? Puro mga number one yung mga moderators ko. Talagang mahigpit po talaga si coach, 'no, kasi kailangan ko matuto po talaga kayo. Okay, guys, it's 10:51, 'no? It's 10:51. I think, medyo konti ang ating viewers because it's a holiday in the States, 'no? Of course, it's, Independence Day there. If you're from the States today, hello, hello to you at ingat ka diyan. Enjoy your barbecue and your beer, 'no? And I think it's gonna be, I don't know if it's a long holiday for you guys in the States, no? But again, may the 4th be with you. Happy 4th of July. And oy, Kimoy, kamusta? Kamusta ka na, Kimoy? Balitaan mo ako ng trades mo, ha? Balitaan niyo ako. And then guys, by the way, isabihin ko lang, 'no, ako po ay umabot na ng 5,000 friends. Meron po palang tinatawag na, meron po tinatawag na limit, 'no, limit po ang ating, MirandaMiner friends, 'no. So ako po ay gumawa ng fan page. So ginawa ko na lang pong fan page, paki-like na lang po ng ating page, 'no, kasi hindi ko na po kayo ma-add lahat, hindi ko na po kayang i-add dahil sabi po na Facebook, sobrang dami na po ng kaibigan ninyo. Kayo po ay dapat magbawas na ng kaibigan. At hindi naman magbawas ng kaibigan, dapat mag-ano po, mag-ano na, mag-ibang platform na. So gumawa na po tayo ng fan page. Pero tatandaan po ninyo, kapag meron po nag-message sa inyo na Miranda Mining na ginagaya po yung profile ko at siya po ay walang follower, hindi po ako 'yon. Hindi po ako 'yon. Iba pong Miranda Mining na nanggagaya lang po sa atin 'yan, 'no. So, kailangan po yung Miranda Mining, meron mga 3,000 followers or likes, 'no, para makita niyo talaga ako 'yun, 'no. Hindi 'pag mga nanggagaya po mga ano 'yan, mga isang like lang po 'yan, ganyan, okey? What else? Oo, tama, max na nga yung 5K, buti na-add ko pa kayo lahat, 'no. Oo, paki-like na lang 'tong fan page natin at para marami tayong matulungan, 'no, and, we're just gonna be using this. Alright guys, sige, yun muna ang ating pag-uusapan today at, sana nag-enjoy ka sa ating show for today, Sana nag-enjoy ka sa show natin today and, I hope lagi kitang makasama. Please, i-like mo naman 'tong live natin today. Out of this 187 people, paki-like naman po yung ating live para itaas siya ni YouTube para marami pang manood about Ethereum hard fork, okay? And then, again, looking forward to see all of you in my class tomorrow sa mga estudyante ko. Matulog ng maaga. No, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow and I look forward training you guys again and also you become profitable. Very, very profitable like Coach Miranda Miner. At don't forget, no? Coach Miranda loves all of you. I love you 3,000 at mag-iingat po kayo lagi. I love you guys and good night. Bye.